Hey, Al, how you doing?
Good, good, good. I guess it's just you and me. Probably my Madhu forgot to call this one off as well. Most likely.
We'll see.
Hello, good morning. Hi, all. Saravanan and Luke.
Hey,
How,
Madhu.
yeah, how are you
Hey,
guys?
Hi,
Madhu.
Madhu. Very
Good,
good.
good.
Good, good.
Yeah, I think just give a couple more minutes, like 3 minutes. 9:05, we can start.
Okay.
Sure.
Sure.
Yeah, so let's get started. I think we have, very little agenda. So hi, Ted. Yeah. So let me share my screen. So do you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, yeah. So I have very less agenda. So one thing is like, for the, PVST, layer 2 PVST, and we have the code PR. I think if you get a chance, I believe like from AV side, we approved and, essentially like, Praveen or, Saravanan or anyone, take a look. These for PVST related changes. Okay. And this is actually a request from Adam. So that is one thing. The second thing is, Saravanan, do you have any update? I believe that you are working on POE changes, right?
Hi, Madhu. Yes, we are currently working on it, but we want to understand is there any timeline by which we need to submit the HLD in order to
No.
make the
So
feature
they,
in the
yeah,
2025-05?
yeah, that's a good question. So I mean, first question, are you working on this LLDP power over MDI support, or which one are you working right now?
Yes, I am working on LLDP Power BI update support.
Okay, okay. So it would be nice if you give us some timeline because it started around end of last year, right? So if you give us
Yeah.
some timeline or kind of ETA, and so when can be HLD kind of ready, so that would be really helpful so that we can plan for 2025. So I'm just looking for whether we're going to target for May release or whatnot. So basically that is the goal. And do we have any dependencies or do we need any help here?
Okay. One thing is we need to add a SOI support for this feature actually.
Okay,
So
then yeah.
at
So.
least,
Mhm.
sorry to interrupt. Like Marvel is committed to provide the SOI support for Power BI MDF support actually. So
Mhm.
basically
So
working with Marvel to
yeah, so
test
Saran,
this
if
one.
I believe, I think Sai support I mean, Sai spec is exist, but Sai support is on Marvel, right? Marvel is supporting Sai code implementation. Is that true?
Yes, correct. And yes, correct.
Okay, got it. Okay, so I think it would be so who is our counterpart in Marvel side? Who is working on it in the Sai binary?
I'll share it just a
Okay.
minute.
So I mean, it would be good, like both, right? The control plane as well as in the SAI. I mean, if you have some timelines or something, whether it's going to coming in for May release or in or out, right? So that really help us. Okay.
Yeah, sure, Madhu. I'll check with
Okay.
Marvel
So
team
that would be
and
fine
get it.
actually. So just what would be the tentative timeline when Marvel is going to commit for that, and the control plane, um, or whether it could be independently. You can, at the most part, I think independently you can come up if you have a size spec available. So based on that, give us some ETA that would really help us to plan it accordingly. Okay, that's good. And so my request is, like, if you get a chance, try to review PVST changes as well. Okay.
Yeah, sure, Madhu.
Okay, that sounds good. And do we have any Cisco team here to basically, they said they have some changes and related to L2 support gaps, uh, related to breakout and everything. So I'll follow up with Bala. Okay, so that is another thing. And apart from that, I think we have pretty much we already covered, and we know what is coming in and what is not. I believe that if we have Marvel team, I have a question that whether they Marvel team could get a chance to talk to target team for SONiC profiling and optimization. Do you have anybody from Marvel team? Yeah, I think Amir is not here. Most probably I can send out an email to him. Okay, that's fine. Then so yeah. So apart from that, I believe POE VS is already in. Most probably, I think 2024-5 it will be available because there are few changes pending. Um, and POE vendor support, most probably I think Marvel is working on that. So Saravanan, I think this is where, like, you can check with Marvel team here because they are working towards to bring in size spec for the POE support. Okay.
Yeah, yes. Right.
Yeah, so just write out an email and maybe you can CC me. I should be able to follow it up as well. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So apart from that, do you guys have any questions to me? This is what we are tracking for 2025. I see layer 2 PVST is completely getting in, and there we can target for sonic profiling, and some of the portion, like IP multicast, Mikas and Broadcom team are working on it. So most probably they are going to target. I mean, they are targeting for 2025. Yeah. So apart from the, do you have any questions to me? Otherwise, like, we are pretty good now here. So is there any specific features you want to bring in, for May release? The second thing, do you have any code PRs you wanted to get into the community? If you need any help, you can post here so that that as a team we should be able to address them. Okay. So if you don't have any other questions, if you have any feedback, just write an email to me. Otherwise, like, I would like to, give back, time for you. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, see you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
Thanks, Manu.
Thank you so much. Bye. Bye.
Thanks, bye.